Right team, look at these beautiful English strawberries. We've got this amazing sun today and this has ripened up really well. This is you can get different types of varieties of strawberries. You can get an Everbear, which will take you through the entire season, or you can have specific varieties that will fruit heavily at a specific time in the season. In this case, I've decided to do that one just because I get a bigger amount and I can then put something else in here later on in the season. So here we go, we have a strawberry. So simple, this, really nothing special. You are just going to cut it just above the stem, maybe half an inch up or 5 centimeters like that off, whether you can see that. Yeah, so it's got a bit of a stem and that's then going to go into our bowl of joyous strawberries. Let's do a few more, shall we, while I'm here. So I'm going to take this one here, again, snip, like that. One at the bottom, snip, like that. That's it. So that's how you deal with strawberries, nothing more than that.